Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be modeling the book The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything by Linda Williams. This is a popular book around Halloween time, so I thought I'd model it, and today I'm going to be modeling it using the Proloquo app. It's 144 grid size, I believe, on the iPad. The books that the words that I will be focusing on the most are she, in reference to our little old lady, not, and then afraid, which is located under describe here in the blue,
afraid,
up the corner. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Once upon a time, there was a little old lady who was not afraid of anything. One windy afternoon, the little old lady left her cottage and went for a walk in the forest to collect herbs and spices, nuts and seeds. She walked so long and so far that it started to get dark. There was only a sliver of moon shining through the night. The little old lady started to walk home. Suddenly, she stopped. Right in the middle of the path were two big shoes. And the shoes went clump, clump. Get out of my way, you two big shoes. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady. On she walked down the path, but behind her she could hear two shoes go clump, clump. A little farther on, the little old lady stumbled into a pair of pants. And the pants went wiggle, wiggle. Get out of my way, you pair of pants. I am not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and she walked on. But behind her, she could hear two shoes go clump, clump, and one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. Farther still, the little old lady bumped into a shirt, and the shirt went shake, shake. Get out of my way, you silly shirt. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and on she walked a little bit faster. But behind her, she could hear two shoes go clump, clump, a pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and one shirt go shake, shake. A little ways on, the little old lady came upon two white gloves and a tall black hat. And the gloves went clap, clap, and the hat went nod, nod. Get out of my way, you two white gloves and you tall black hat. I am not afraid of you, she said, and on she walked, but just a little bit faster. But behind her, she could hear the two shoes go clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle wiggle. One shirt go shake shake. Two gloves go clap clap. And one hat go nod nod. By now the little old lady was walking at quite a bit of a fast pace. She was very near her cottage when she was startled. That means she was scared by a very huge, very orange, very scary pumpkin head. And the head went boo, boo. This time, the little old lady did not stop to talk. She did not stop at all. She ran, but behind her, she could hear two shoes go clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head go boo, boo. The little old lady did not look back. She ran as fast as she could and didn't stop to catch her breath until she was safe inside her cottage with the door locked. She sat in her chair by the fire and she rocked and she rocked. It was so quiet in her cottage before the knock knock on the door. Should she answer it? What do you think? Well, she was not afraid of anything, remember? So she went to the door and opened it. What do you think she saw? Two shoes go clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head go boo, boo. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady bravely. What do you want anyway? We've come to scare you. You can't scare me, said the little old lady. Then what's to become of us, said the pumpkin head, who suddenly looked unhappy. I have an idea, said the little old lady, and she whispered into the pumpkin's ear. The pumpkin head nodded, and its face seemed to brighten. That means it probably is starting to feel a little happy. The little old lady said good night and closed the door and whistled on her way to bed. The next morning, she woke up early and she went to her window and looked down into her garden. And what do you think she saw? What's it going to be? Two shoes go clomp, clomp. One pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. One shirt go shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head go boo, boo. And they scare all the crows away. That was a good answer for what that pumpkin should do, huh? Well, there's your modeling of the book. We're finished reading it. This is a great book. I modeled it simply with just a few words focusing on just a few words, sorry. But this is a great book for sequencing, for kids to also do hand motions and the sounds with it for each of the clothing items. And then it's a great story as well to work on clothing items too, if you're wanting to hit up that vocabulary. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween.